Anna Edify welcomes you. Best timetable for board exam students. "5:30 a.m. Get out of bed and finish your daily morning routine. "6:30 a.m. Morning is the best and most effective time to study and learn new things. So, students should take up the subjects in which they are really weak. "9 a.m. Have a healthy breakfast and relax for some time. "9:30 a.m. Have a quick revision of what you read in the morning. "9:45 a.m. Now, get into other subjects like science and maths. "11:45 a.m. Revise whatever you studied in the previous session. "12 p.m. Relax for a while, have your lunch. "1 p.m. In this session, read whichever subject you would like to study. "4 p.m. Have a coffee break and take a rest for some time. 4:30 p.m. Take up the subject which you know well as you cannot give your 100% here. 6 p.m. Do some activities which will help you to relax. 7 p.m. Recall whatever you read in the previous sessions and practice some writing as well. 8:30 p.m. Have your dinner. 9:30 p.m. Revise the formulas and equations. 10 p.m. Go to sleep. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel.